Let's make a food-friendly floral tray. I started with using SRC mold dough to block off the part of my mold that was too long for my live edge. I then mixed up some Upstart Art Epoxy for the base layer with black Color Creator alcohol ink. Once it was fully mixed together, I poured an 1/8-inch thick layer in the bottom of the mold, and once it was tacky, I added dried flowers to the epoxy. This is purely aesthetic, so once you like the look of this base layer, you want to let it cure. After it cured overnight, I mixed up some Upstart Deep Pour and added 1 inch to the second layer of my mold. Again, once this was tacky, I added a second layer of dried flowers until I liked the look. You can get these flowers from Amazon, and they come in a variety of colors and sizes. Once this layer cured, I did 1 more layer of Deep Pour over the second layer of flowers and let this cure as well. I then demolded the tray. I squared up the tray on my table saw and sanded the excess epoxy and marks on the live edge. After making sure the tray was level, I did a final coat of art epoxy over the entire tray to give it that UV resistance boost and let that cure. The fact that Upstart Epoxy is food safe means I can use this as a charcuterie, a serving tray, a dessert tray, and so much more. I love how glossy it is, and the flowers are beautiful. I love that I can see the layers. Grab everything you need to make your own live edge tray on upstartepoxy.com.